Good morning, dear students. And I will take revision from chapter 3. And name of the chapter 3 is the other uses of plants. And name of the chapter 3 is the other uses of plants. Name of the chapter 3 is the other uses of plants. As we know that plants are the cheap sources of food. We know that plants are the cheap sources of food, and without plant we can't do anything, and but they are otherwise useful too, and we get many things from plants that we used for several purposes. Let us read about these things. And we get wood from plants. Wood is the most useful material we get from plants, and it is used for making furniture, doors, windows, sports goods, and many other things. And such wood is called timber. Teak, deodar, shisham, and walnut are some timber giving trees. And firewood from plants is used as fuel. Dead leaves are used as manure. So we can say that wood is very important for us, and it provides and it is used for making furnitures, doors, windows, sports good, etc., and other things. And as we know that we get medicines from some plants. We get some medicines from the plants like neem, tulsi, mint, ginger, turmeric, and cinchona give us medicines. Quinine is obtained from the bark of cinchona tree and cinchona plant. It is a medicine used for malaria. And leaves of neem tree are used to wash wounds and boils. Leaves of tulsi plant are used to treat fever and coughs, and many other herbs are also used to treat different diseases. And we get fibers from some plants. Some plants like cotton and jute give us fiber. Cotton fiber is spun and made into cloth. Flax and jute fibers are used for making ropes, strings, and canny bags. Fiber from coconuts called coir is used to make carpets, mats, strings, and ropes. And we get paper, gums, and rubber from plants. We get paper from bamboo and pulp of many trees. Paper is used to make notebooks, books, diaries, etc. And we get gum from kikar tree. Gum is used to make glue. Sap of the rubber tree is made into rubber. Rubber is used to make tires, pipes, etc. We prepare perfumes from some other plants. Sweet smelling flowers of plants are used to prepare perfumes. And some common perfumes are rose, jasmine, lavender, etc. And we prepare extracts of plants for various purposes. Extracts of flowers and roots of some plants are taken out, and rose water and kevda are two such extracts. And some plants are used as headers. Thorny plants are used to make fences around crop fields. Evergreen plants like boxwood and holly are used to make hedges around lawns and parks. Some other uses of plants. Many plants are used as fodder for cattle. are used as fodder for cattle. Juices and oils of certain plants are used to make soaps, shampoos, and toothpaste. Plants purify the air that we breathe. Plants purify the air that we breathe. That is why we grow plants near our homes. That is why we grow plants near our homes. We grow many plants for their beauty. We grow many plants for their beauty, and trees are homes for many birds and animals. As we know that trees are homes for many birds and animals. And flowers are used for decoration. Flowers are used for decoration, and bouquet and garlands are made from flowers. So this is all about chapter 3, and name of the chapter 3 is the other uses of plants. And in this chapter, what have you learned? Plants are the cheap sources of food. As we know that plants are the cheap sources of food, and we get wood, medicines, fiber, paper, gum, rubber, and perfumes from plants. Plants make the air fresh and clean. More to know, bamboo is a kind of grass. Bamboo is a kind of grass. The more paper is wasted, the more trees is cut. The more trees are cut. The more paper is wasted, the more trees are cut. So in this chapter we seen that how much plants are necessary for human beings, and everything we are getting from the plants, and some food items we are getting from the plants, and we are getting oxygen from the plants. If plants are not there, then it is very harmful for the health, and we will not get the fresh air. So we can say that plants are very important. And in this chapter, fill in the blanks are given. Fill in the blanks. Wood used to make perfume, doors, window, etc. is called timber. Second, many plants gives us medicine to treat diseases. Fiber from coconuts is also called wire. Bamboo trees are used to make paper. Plants are used as fodder for cattle. Cinchona is a medicinal plant. From cotton plant we get fiber. We get gum from kika tree. We get timber from teak tree. Sweet smelling flowers are used to make perfumes. Give one use of each of the following. Give one use of each of the following. That is the jute, ropes, strings, gunny bags, rubber, tires, pipes, wire, carpets. It is used for making carpets. Ropes, strings, mats. Timber, it is used for making furniture, doors, window, and other things. Bamboo, paper. Match the following: medicines, neem and tulsi; perfumes, rose and lavender; manure, dead leaves; paper, bamboo tree; cloth, cotton fiber. Name 5 things other than food we get from plants. Medicines and paper and perfumes, cloth, and perfumes, etc. Name 5 things in your house that are made of wood. Table, chair, window, bed, and dressing. How are trees useful for animals? Trees are homes for some animals and some birds. Name 2 flowers which are used to make perfume. Rose, jasmine. Why do we grow plants near our house? We grow plants near our house because they purify the air, and if we take breathe, then that air is good for the health. Or we can say that Plants purify the air that we breathe, and that is why we grow plants near our homes or houses.